Remember to follow me on Instagram at savvyshay_tt. Subscribe, comment, and like. Hi everyone and welcome. I'm Shay, and in today's video I am going to be talking about ways to manage conflict. As we begin, let us review the objectives for today. 1. To define terms used in conflict. 2. Differentiate behaviors, and this is your assertive and aggressive. And 3. Effective conflict resolution. Yes, conflict. Many of us have been in conflict at different points and different times in our life. But what is conflict? Conflict is a dispute between two parties. Disputes happen because people do not share the same set of values. Now that we know the meaning of conflict, we need to know the meaning of conflict resolution. And this is the act of finding a solution to a problem that satisfies all parties involved. So today I'm going to discuss 7 ways of how to effectively deal with conflict. 1 is to listen. Listening enables you to hear what the other party has to say. Perhaps you misunderstood what they were trying to convey to you. 2. Control your anger. Controlling your temper means managing your anger. It is alright to be angry, but know what triggers your anger. 3. Look for areas of agreement. Common ground is important, and acknowledging that a problem exists before choosing a private medium to deal with the matter. 4. Be honest. Regardless of how you may presume the outcome to be, always tell the truth. 5. Postpone action. This could be either counting to 10, taking deep breaths, but ask yourself, is this thing worth being angry for? 6. Compromise. Compromise. Sometimes each side have to give up something in order to reach a solution. And 7. Use a third party or mediator. This person can either be a guidance counselor, a minister of religion, or even a principal that is a mutual and respectable person that can give advice in helping to solve the problem. Now, I will differentiate assertive behavior as opposed to aggressive behaviors. Assertive behaviors entails acting with confidence, expressing one's ideas while respecting someone else's rights. Whereas, on the other hand, aggressive behavior is very hostile. It entails demanding one's rights without respect for someone else's. Conflict occurs in all relationships. In many cases, it is the inability to make adjustments that leads to the buildup of tension. Poor communication also causes conflict. So sometimes the things that we say or may not say can create a problem. Tensions can arise, but a point to note is that there is good conflict and there is bad conflict. Conflict is usually brought on by frustration, and frustration can be caused by disappointment and dissatisfaction, especially when these occur over and over, continuously over a period of time. As mentioned earlier, conflict can be good or bad. Most times, when we hear the word conflict, we associate it with something negative. But conflict, when it is considered to be good, is constructive conversations that focuses on issues when they arise and how to effectively deal with them. But when conflict is considered something bad or negative, it's destructive conversations that focuses on the past and on people. And if you are faced with any challenge or circumstance and you have used it, let me know. Always remember that every day you learn, you grow. So keep learning and keep growing.